Why do your muscles feel fine during a workout, but then hurt the next day? That delayed soreness has a name: DOMS. First myth to retire: it's usually not lactic acid. Lactate clears from blood pretty quickly after exercise. DOMS tends to show up most after eccentric moves, when a muscle is working while it lengthens. Those moves create tiny, microscopic disruptions in muscle fibers and surrounding tissue. Your body responds like it would to a small repair job. Immune cells show up, and inflammation increases. Inflammation can make pain sensors more sensitive, so movements that were normal yesterday can feel tender today. That's why DOMS usually starts 12 to 24 hours later, often peaks around 24 to 72 hours, then fades as tissues recover. The good news: your body adapts. Repeat the same type of workout, and you usually get less sore next time. What actually helps? Light movement, gentle warm-up, sleep, and steady progression, adding intensity gradually. What doesn't help much? Chasing pain. Soreness isn't a required sign of a good workout. If pain is severe, one-sided swelling is intense, or your urine turns dark after hard exercise, get medical help. That's not typical DOMS. Want more clear, practical science like this? Follow, so tomorrow's explainer lands in your feed when you're curious.